Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the pound yen is up on the monthly, the trend is up on the monthly, the trend is up on the weekly, and the trend is up on the daily. That means that I personally am doing absolutely nothing but looking for logs at the end of these bigger pullbacks on the 1 hour time frame. Now, I do not trade below the 1 hour, so I will definitely not be trying to go long now, and I definitely will not be trying to go short. If and when the market makes another decent pullback like this, or like this, or like this, that's when I'm going to be looking to go long again. Now, this is a Fibonacci level from the daily time frame, and we just went beyond the 61%. More than likely, this is going to go up to the 78%, which is still quite a ways up there. The 78% is all the way up to about the 202 area. Now, I'm sure there's going to be some more pullbacks along the way. If we get, some more three-way pullbacks, that is where I will be looking to go long, is at the end of these three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. As usual, if you're trading with the higher time frame trend, you definitely do have a higher probability of being correct. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.